Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. 4 St. Elizabeth Technical High School students who were involved in a series of fights at the institution last week have not been charged by police. The students, aged between 13 and 15 years old, have been charged with assault occasioning bodily harm. The disclosure was made during Thursday's meeting of the St. Elizabeth Municipal Corporation by Commanding Officer for St. Elizabeth Superintendent Colridge Minto. According to Superintendent Minto, police have since ramped up intervention efforts at the school through the School Resource Office program following the disturbances. He says officers have been working closely with the guidance counselor and dean of discipline, with continued interventions planned both on the school compound and in surrounding communities. The move comes after 17 fights involving students were reported at the institution on Wednesday, raising serious concerns about student behavior and safety at the school.